Welcome to Enviro Buildings. In this video, we'll walk you through how to properly install a rain roof on your modular structure for lasting protection from the elements. Step 1. Begin by placing the rain roof on top of your structure. Unfold it carefully so that the fabric tabs are facing down. Step 2. Center the rain roof by measuring equal overhang on all four sides. This ensures full coverage and a clean finish. Step 3. Roll the rain roof back onto itself to expose the first tab. Screws can only be placed into rain roof tab. Step 4. Using the 1.5 screws and round plates provided, secure the tab to the building roof. Place a fastener on each outer edge and continue across the tab every 12 inches. Step 5. Unroll the rain roof back over the tab, concealing the fasteners and locking the layer in place. If your rain roof has multiple tabs, simply repeat steps 3 and 4 until all tabs are secured. Step 6. Once all tabs are attached, begin on one side and secure the termination bar to the building using the fasteners provided. Step 7. Repeat the same process on the remaining 3 sides. Install term bar corners once term bars have been installed. Step 8. With all sides secured, apply caulk along the top edge of the termination bar to seal out moisture. Step 9. Finally, trim any excess rain roof material hanging below the termination bar for a neat professional finish. And that's it. Your Enviro building rain roof is now securely installed and ready to handle the weather. For more how-to videos and support, visit envirobuildings.com.